Hey folks, I'm Lauren Dunn, lead product evangelist here at Docusign, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the issue of PDF form fields loading vertically. I've been there, I've done that, I've solved the issue, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, this is what it looks like. Okay, you've put your impressive document together, you're pulling over your fields, and it loads like this. So like any problem, you need to find out what the root cause of it is before you can solve it. So what is the root cause of the vertical lines? So it is your PDF is in landscape mode or appears to be in a portrait mode, but its pages actually have rotation properties. Whew, okay, some PDFs most often those in landscape mode have a rotation property in the pages or fields themselves. This is done to make the PDF more easily viewed, so if it's super long and wide, and filled out within a given reader program. So Docusign does support landscape documents, but to remain consistent across the many different PDF types a given customer may upload, Docusign does not change the orientation of the field pages when converting based on the file's underlying orientation properties. So what all that means is we do support landscape and portrait, but in the background there may be some little gremlins messing with your document. So here's how we solve this. Docusign Tagger does allow rotation of the document pages once uploaded. Docusign does not rotate the fields and there adjusted text rotation within them. Text fields values are always left to right and then right side up. So to correct this issue, if you are facing it, correct the orientation of the document before uploading it, either using the tool that it was created in or a PDF editor. Rotating the pages, changing the orientation properties of the fields, and resaving the file in portrait mode is your best bet. That's what worked for me when I encountered this. Also, manually resizing and repositioning fields within the tagger does help, but I suggest number one first. So now you know the cause and how to solve the PDF form fields loading vertically. I will leave all relevant information down below, and if you've got any questions, feel free to post them. Till next time.